Good day, madam. In this video, we're going to present a animated film based on the storybook Fon-Miau. So our member include of me, Lim Jo, Tan Pei Yi, Charlie Munch, Oi Hao Bin, and ZAHIDAH AQILAH BINTI JAAFAR. There are four contents will be presented in this video, which is introduction, pre-production, productions, and post-productions. For the introduction part, Fon-Miau is an animated film that tells the touching story of Sarah, a young girl with a fear of cats, and her caring father, Professor Awang's concern for his daughter's well-being. Professor Awang creates an innovative Fon-Miau device which translates cat language into human speech. The film explores themes of empathy and the power of modern communication technologies, targeting children aged 4 to 12 during their formative year of cognitive and emotional development. Through the captivating 2D animation using Adobe Animate and Animaker, the film presents a visually appealing and comprehensible environment that engages the audience. The heartwarming narrative aims to convey the significance of empathy and communication, leaving a lasting impact of viewer hearts, inspiring them to become a kind-hearted and empathic individual who can bring positive change to the world. The synopsis of the story, Fon-Miau is a heartwarming animated film that follows the touching tales of Sarah, a young girl with a strong aversion to cats, troubled by her fears and the way she reacts to the cats. Her loving father, Professor Awang, stepped in and created the innovative Fon-Miau device capable of translating cat meows into human speech. As Sarah set off of a transformative journey, armed with this newfound means of communications, she begins to understand and empathize with the very creatures she once feared.
Next, I would like to proceed with the pre-production of the Fon-Miau animation video. So upon receiving the story title, we summarize the story's main plot points and key characters. So after this, we align the character's appearance with the narrative, ensuring it complements the story's themes and emotions. So to plan our animation flows, we utilize the Canva tools to planning the flow of the animation scenes. So we decided to divide the stories into 10 scenes with narrations, sound musics, and effects, camera angles, and light angles.
Hi, my name is Uhabin with matrix number 287246. Now I'm going to present about the production part. We have used Adobe Animate CC and Animaker to done for our production. The first one which is keyframe animation, the second one which is rigging, and the last one which is effects and transitions. These three steps we have done using by Adobe Animate CC. In Animaker, motion graphics templates are also one of the main things we use in our animation production. Secondly, which is text animation. The third is the timing and easing. And lastly, which is the background art design. These four types we are done all by using the Animaker. Sound design is also one of the processes we have done in the production phase. Audio editing and sound design is done by our editor. For the voiceover, we recorded all the script dialogue by our own, providing clear and expressive voices for the characters or narrations.
Hi, my name is ZAHIDAH JAAFAR. My metric number is 288580. Now I want to share about production, about motion graphic, post-production, about sound editing and video editing. First, I will talk about the production first, which is the motion graphic part. Here is the software we use to move the character. The software we use, Animaker. Animaker is a DIY video animation software, and this software is cloud-based and was launched in 2014. It allows users to create animate videos using pre-built character and templates. All our character movement only use this Animaker software to move them. Here are some of the movements we create to make the character look more alive and be able to adapt the movements to the dialogue and the way of talk. There are several movements found in our video. Among them are walking, standing with arms crossed, and talking with hand movements. In the post-production session, I will talk about the sound editing software and video editing software we use. In our project, we use it to remove noise so that the original sound is clear. So the software we use is Audacity. Next, we use Animaker and Animate CC software for the video editing process. We use Animaker to edit the video of our project because there are tools inside that will make it easier for us to add sound. There are various characters that can be selected as well as various other tools. Apart from that, for the background, we also take it from the Animaker software. itself, then we use Animate CC to apply all of the transition and effects in our animation video project.
So now I will continue with the meeting picture. We have held 3 times of meeting and sometimes we have our meeting in the WhatsApp group. So for the first time, we have our meeting in the Google Meet. In this meeting, we discuss the concept of the story and discuss which story we decide to do. The second time, we discuss what we are going to do in our proposal and we have assigned a part for each member. Third time, we have discussed and assigned a part for animation. And in our WhatsApp group, we will discuss and updating our own progress for this assignment. Next, screen capture of final animation for Fon-Miau. In this part, we have involved 50 important scenes in the storyboard, which include cover of Fon-Miau, who is Sarah, Sarah's father, Sarah's mother, Sarah woolly cat, and Professor Awang think away. Following by the scene of Professor Awang invented Fon-Miau, give to Sarah, heard sound voice, follow cat, Sarah shocked and asked for help. The last 3 scenes will be Sarah asks for help, send the cat to clinic, and Sarah like cat. I think that's all for our group. Thanks for listening.